Hey everybody! Today in this video we're going to be talking about the map and satellite layers and how you can use them to put your project right over top of a real world location so that your plan is exactly to scale in the place that you want it. Earlier in a previous video I talked about how you can add an address on project creation, and that will set the latitude and longitude default for your project. But from within the garden player, you can access that satellite layer by clicking this globe icon. And when you do that, you have the ability to search for an address or just pan around. So I'm going to search for an address that's near my house because I know that there's an open field right over here that I want to put my project over top of just for the sake of this video. So here I am, and I'm going to click move plan here, and that will take the entire project that I've been working on and just plop it right in the center of the map view that I see. And as you can see, I have a small project, but it's kind of right there hidden by the tree. If I want to fine tune exactly where that project lines up, I can enter pin mode, and then I can, make sure that my project center is exactly where the pin is. From here, I can edit the shape of my garden if I need to. So let's say I want this to extend across this parking lot all the way to the road where some of these existing trees are. Then I can do just maybe this one section right here. Great. Release, and now you can see this kind of highlighted area is on the map where I want it to be. From there, I can always hide my map and go back to my project view. And you can see here, this is like the little garden that we've been working on earlier. It's now a part of this much bigger project area. I can toggle the map back on. Everything is as it should be. Even if I, pan way over here or I zoom way out, as soon as I enter map mode, it'll retain that central location so that you can always view your project in context of the greater surrounding area. If you want to take a slice of this map and just have it on your garden project as like an entity that you can layer and show and hide, you can click this save map as background, which will allow you to kind of crop this, take this slice of it, and then add it to your project so that even when you hide the map, you kind of have this screenshot. And that's if you don't want the whole map, but you do, occasionally just want to, toggle back and forth, show, hide it, or add it to one of your layers, then you can do that too. So it comes in by default locked and visible, but you can always unlock it if you need to tweak the exact position of it. Although if it's meant to be tied to the map, then you shouldn't. Hopefully, you shouldn't have to edit the position of it too much. One final way that you can interact with the map is by clicking this Add Map button. And when you do that, it's going to have kind of the similar view. You're just going to be able to screenshot from here as well. So you can set location and you can screenshot if you want. And that will, again, add another layer of the background image to your map or to your project of the map. So that is kind of how you can use the map and satellite layer. And I think we have some pretty cool community examples of how this has played out in people's real projects, like this one right here. You can see that they've overlaid their entire garden over top of that map image. I think a little further down we have some, but yeah, it's just it's a helpful little tool if you need to toggle back and forth to view the real space that you're designing as you're designing it. So that's how to use it.